Finding a rough diamond can be exciting, but many stones look similar to diamonds. Minerals like quartz or glass can easily be confused with real diamonds. Fortunately, there are several simple tests you can try at home to help determine whether a stone might be a real rough diamond. Below are 7 simple methods you can use to check if your stone could be a real diamond. 1. The water test. One of the easiest ways to test a diamond is using water. Fill a glass with clean water and gently drop the stone into it. Real diamonds are very dense and usually sink quickly to the bottom. Fake stones such as glass may float or sink slowly. This test is simple, but it should be combined with other tests for better accuracy. 2. The fog test. Diamonds disperse heat quickly. Hold the stone close to your mouth and breathe on it like a mirror. If the fog disappears instantly, it may be a real diamond. If the fog stays for a few seconds, it is likely not a diamond. 3. The hardness scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural mineral on Earth. Try scratching a piece of glass or ceramic with the stone. A real diamond can scratch glass easily. If the stone leaves no mark, it is likely not a diamond. Be careful with this test to avoid damaging the stone. 4. The transparency test. Place the stone over a piece of paper with text. If you can clearly read the letters through the stone, it is probably not a diamond. Rough diamonds usually do not allow clear text visibility because of their crystal structure. 5. Check the crystal shape. Natural rough diamonds often have specific crystal shapes. Look for octahedral shapes, 8 triangular faces, sharp edges, natural irregular surfaces. Round or smooth stones are less likely to be raw diamonds. 6. The UV light test. If you have access to a UV light, black light, shine it on the stone. Many real diamonds glow blue under ultraviolet light, however, not all diamonds fluoresce, so this test is not always a definitive. Examine the surface texture. Real rough diamonds usually have a greasy or slightly waxy appearance. They may also show tiny natural pits, rough crystal growth patterns, a natural matte shine. Fake stones often look too smooth or too shiny. Final tip. These home tests can help you estimate whether a stone might be a diamond, but they are not 100% reliable. The best way to confirm a real diamond is through professional gemological testing.